Envato Elements Premium account for absolutely free? Yes, what you saw in the title and thumbnail is correct. In this video, I will show you a way to get Envato Elements' $16 plan for almost free. Let's start the video without wasting time. First, go to the SEO Tools Card website. Open your browser and search for seotoolscart.com. After you arrive there, click on Join Now, scroll down a bit, and then click on Buy Now to be directed to their sign-up page. Once you're there, search, and you will clearly see that Envato Elements will cost only $4.99. Wait, there's more. You'll get a discount coupon that will make Envato Elements even cheaper. So choose your product, go down to the details and fill them in. Your name, username, password, email, etc. Below, you'll see the payment option and a place to enter a coupon code. The coupon code is FAM2023. When you use this coupon, you'll get an additional 20% discount. Look how cheap it is, a $16 plan for just $3.99. I have used their service. Their service is almost 100% uptime, and they have excellent chat support. Try it, and everyone who has tried it so far has not raised any complaints. Everyone is using it. Just make the payment. Once you apply the coupon code, you'll get the discount. Scroll down a bit more, and you'll see two options for payment. The first one is PayPal. You can click on PayPal option, then you have to pay. After you pay, you will get instant access in your dashboard. If you have any problem in making payments or about your product, you can just go to chat support and they are 24/7 available. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for more tools with so many discounts.